In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create powerful, customized reports in Smartsheet. If you've ever wished you could see key information from multiple sheets without jumping back and forth, you're in the right place. By the end, you'll know how to pull the right data into one clean view so you can focus on decisions, not digging. Start by heading to the Browse section in your Smartsheet workspace. Think of Browse as your central hub for everything you build: sheets, templates, and of course, reports. When you're ready, look to the top right and click the Create button. This is your launch point for new items, and it's easy to overlook what you need if you rush. In the menu that opens, scroll all the way to the bottom and choose Report. You'll see two choices: Row Report and Sheet Summary Report. A row report pulls specific rows from one or many sheets based on rules you set, which is great for cross-project visibility. A sheet summary report pulls high-level summary fields, perfect for dashboards and metrics. For this walkthrough, choose Row Report so you can combine rows from different sheets into a single view. You're now in the Row Report setup. First, select your source sheets. This tells Smartsheet exactly where to pull data from. If you manage work for sales, marketing, and HR, select all those sheets at once, and Smartsheet will unify the data into one dynamic report. A helpful tip here is to keep column names and types consistent across those sheets so your report aligns cleanly and you avoid mismatched fields. Once your sources are selected, click Next. Now pick the columns you want to display, maybe task name, assigned owner, status, and due date. Include only what you need so the report stays readable. You can always adjust later as your audience or goals change. Next, apply filters to narrow the results. For example, show only rows with a status of in progress or tasks due this week. Start simple so the logic is easy to maintain, and layer conditions as your needs evolve. To make the report easier to scan, add grouping. You might group by department, project, or owner. Grouping automatically organizes your rows and lets you collapse sections to focus on what matters. Then set your sort order, ascending or descending, on any column. Sorting by due date, for instance, surfaces approaching deadlines and helps prioritize work. Take it further with summarization. Use options like sum or count to total hours, budgets, or task counts. These roll-ups update automatically as your underlying sheets change, giving you built-in analytics without manual effort. Before finishing, review your grouping and sorting with your audience in mind. If it's for a weekly check-in, prioritize due dates. If it's for workload visibility, group by owner, and that's it. You've created a flexible, time-saving Smartsheet report. It may take a little tuning, but once set, it pays off every day. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, drop your